Yo, what is going on, beautiful people? My name is Ali Cashflow. I am the CEO and founder of Cashflow Investing, and my purpose with this channel and with this video is to help you guys make more educated and more confident decisions when you're trading Forex and when you're trading options and when you're trading in general, right? The day trading world is a very volatile world, and it is filled with people that are out to get you, for lack of better words, right? So for this video, we are going to be discussing prop firms, okay? I'm not going to be discussing what they are and how they work. That's going to be on another video, but more so I'm going to be giving an honest review and standpoint on a prop firm that is getting pushed a lot lately, right? Because if you've been trading Forex for a while, you know that in 2024 the prop firm world turned upside down, right? Brokers were getting shut down, people were getting kicked out of the US, and barely any reputable prop firms are still around, right? In a short summary of what prop firms are is it's a system that allows you to take trading exams where you pass a challenge where you have to get a certain percentage on a demo account, and when you pass that challenge you get rewarded a funded account. Even though it's a demo account, still you get rewarded a funded account, and you can make profits off of that funded account, right? That's a prop firm in a nutshell. But what we're going to be discussing today is a prop firm that I did purchase it, and I'm going to be covering how the dashboard works and everything like that. But we're going to be discussing a prop firm that has been talked about a lot lately by very credible sources, and I'm going to be going over these sources with you, and then I'm going to be going over my honest experience with this prop firm since I bought it up to now, and what I'm expecting from it, and if I'm expecting to actually get paid out from it, okay? So the prop firm in question is going to be Goat Funded Trader. Okay, Goat Funded Trader, it says that it's a US based platform and that they have in-house technology and that they're operating everything with a reputable standpoint. Okay, so I first bought this challenge, I'd say maybe 2 weeks ago, okay, because I was reviewing different prop firms that are still able to be purchased inside of the US, and I was using this website known as propfirmmatch.com. okay, they've been known for the past year or so to give very credible, very straight information about a prop firm, about different prop firms, and if you should trust them or not. Okay, so I went on this website and I looked up different ones that they were recommending. Okay, Funding Pips was on the list, Funding Traders was on the list, E8 Markets was on the list, I believe FXify was, and Blue Guardian as well, right? So before Goat Trader was at the top up here, right? 2 weeks ago, Goat Trader was up here, okay? And I did some cross research, and there's another individual known as Prop Firm Kid, okay? And he also does reviews and shows payouts from different prop firms, and this was his list of ones that he recommends. So I messaged him because I saw Goat Funded Trader on Prop Firm Match, and I saw them on his website here, and then on their Trustpilot at the time, they had nothing but 5-star reviews, right? Everyone's saying they're getting paid out fast, and everyone's saying all these great things about them. So I'm like, okay, it sounds good, right? So I go here and I message Prop Firm Kid and I ask him, hey, has Goat Funded been paying you out, and are they a good platform? And he says yes. Right? I'm not saying anything bad about him. He's a really great guy, but that's what he told me at the time, is that they were a really good platform. So I sign up with them, and then immediately as I sign up, I start seeing some red flags. Okay, I'm not going to say it's a bad broker because I haven't been trading with them long enough to say it's a bad broker yet or bad prop firm. But I have noticed some very inconsistent things already, okay? On their website, on their challenges, I paid for leverage that is 100 to 1. It's not even that good, right? But still, 100 to 1 leverage I paid for. And upon opening the account on TradeLocker, I noticed that the leverage was only 50 to 1. Okay, that was the first red flag, right? 50 to 1 instead of 100 to 1. So I messaged the support team, and the support team is this Discord group, right? Which isn't really too ensuring. Okay, the Discord group, the support team is just some random mods that are in this Discord, and since I signed up, there has been nothing but people complaining. Okay, mind you, I haven't seen anything positive since I joined this Discord group. Okay, but point being is this is their support group, right? Didn't say that at first. They said they had amazing customer service. Okay, So first off, I asked about the spread. I asked about the leverage, and they said that it's a tiered leverage. So once you start trading more, they'll raise the leverage. That was a hidden rule that was not stated on the checkout page or on the frequently asked questions or anything. And I even messaged the support team and clarified everything, and that was not disclosed to me, okay? That was the first little bit of a orange red flag, right? And the second thing that I noticed was the spreads. The spreads were extremely, extremely high, okay? If we go to the FAQ, the first thing we're going to type in is leverage, right? And then we'll get into the spread. Let's see what we can find about leverage here. What is the account leverage on a two-step challenge, which is what I purchased? For classic, no time limit, GOAT, and swing plus, the leverage will be 50. Yeah, and that's different. You see, they literally did not even say that before. Okay, so that's another big thing. They update stuff, these prop firms, because they did not say that before. Before it said 100 to 1. I promise you. Or God strike me down right now from lying to you, okay? So, at first it said 100 to 1, now this is 50 to 1, right? I trade on a US regulated platform for my primary account, right? So this is a regulated account is 50 to 1 anyways, okay? So the whole benefit of trading with a prop firm and trading with unregulated brokers is that you get high leverage. So they already lowered that. That's something they did not describe before. Okay, let's see what it says for the 1 to 20. Wow, 1 to 30 in Forex for the ones phase. That's crazy. Because it was not that before. I promise you it was not that. But now, that's how it is. Now it's 50 to 1. Before it was 100 to 1. So that's the first thing. And now the spreads. When I signed up, it said that they operated with raw spreads. Okay, raw spreads, for those of you guys that don't know, on a major pair like Euro USD, that's going to be like 0.8 to like 1.2 pips max. For liquidity providers, for major liquidity providers, right? So that's what you would expect. If they say that they're operating with raw spreads, they don't even have the information here anymore, right? But if they say that they're operating with raw spreads, they, you know, it would be that. But instead, we'll go look. Let me go to Trade Locker. I'll show you guys. It's the weekend now, so, but point being, it still should be fairly accurate. Here we go. Sorry about that. Yeah, I had a $100,000 challenge. I opened a trade and I closed it to see what the spread was going to be like. So if we look at Euro USD, yeah, you see right now it says it's 115. Whenever the market was open, the spread at a normal time was like 6 pips, okay? And I saw it go up to like 14, 15 pips on a normal afternoon, okay? No news, no nothing. So I'm a scalper and an intraday trader for the most part. So my entries, if I'm 6 pips off or 10 pips off, that makes a considerable difference, right? Especially if you're trading with a lot of leverage, right? Or with a lot of margin, you're risking a lot of money, and you're already down 10 pips just by opening the trade, right? So I messaged them about that, and I'm like, hey guys, you said that you operate with tight raw spreads, and it's the spreads are 6 to 10 pips right now. And then no one answered me in the Discord group. No one answered me. And then I also asked about the leverage, and nobody's answered me. I've messaged this multiple times already, okay? Multiple times. If we type in my name, so we'll type in my name here. 11 times I've asked the same exact question, right? And I have not been answered once yet, okay? So I'm making this video, again, not to just bitch and complain, but I'm making this video to just show that these firms, they'll change on you fast. A week or two ago, they had nothing but positive reviews on Trustpilot. They had nothing but positive reviews online. Both of those websites are still advertising them though. Prop Firm Match and the Prop Firm Kid, they're still saying that this prop firm is paying them out, right? So if I can still trade with these market conditions and pass the challenge, they might pay me out, right? I only paid like $250 for the $100,000. So my first payout, I'll make the money back. But it's going to be a little bit hard for me to get the payout because of how they've changed the rules already on me, right? So I went to go ask them for a refund, and I was told they don't do any refunds whatsoever, and that the rules are subject to change at any point in time. So I got screwed out, right? What am I going to do? I can't complain about it, right? So I might as well make the best out of the situation and try and teach you guys something, right? So my lesson that I learned from this is do not trust other people, right? I did my research, I did my back testing on them. It seemed to check out, but my decision-making factor was relying on what other people were saying about this prop firm. And that was like, okay, well, if they're saying they're doing good, then I'm assuming that it's a good platform. As soon as I sign up, though, I'm not lying to you guys. As soon as I signed up, everything switched, right? The leverage switched, the spreads got bigger, the people are complaining about them not being paid out, all sorts of stuff, right? If we go look at their Trustpilot, okay, before, none of this was here, okay? Before, they only had 5 stars. They had like one one-star review. Let me bring this down. Okay, now 14% of people are complaining about this broker, right? Just look at this. Not a good platform. Can't recommend them. This company has no leverage anymore. I bought an account and started going, whatever. First time experience, incompetency, right? Scammed, fake, failed, right? And so I haven't even started trading on the challenge yet, because what I'm planning on doing now that I know this information, I'm going to use this as an opportunity to save you guys some money and potentially help you guys make some money. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to document my journey passing this $100,000 challenge, 1 phase and 2 phase. Hopefully I pass it and get funded from them and get my payout. If they pay out, that is the biggest thing that matters, right? I'm not going to tell you guys to sign up with them, right? I'll have a link down below so you guys can check them out, but I would not recommend you buy their service yet until you see an update from me on if I was able to pass it, and if I was able to pass it, if I was able to get paid out. Okay, this is going to be an ongoing series. This is going to be part 1 of this series, and I just wanted to use this as an opportunity to show you guys my situation with GoFunded Trader. Okay, be transparent about that, because I was planning on introducing them to my community, but because of the situations that I have going on, I'm not going to put affiliate profit over my morals and over the community of traders that I helped build and hopefully continue to build, right? So as of right now, GoFunded Trader, they're on the watch list. Okay, I've passed multiple challenges before. I've been screwed over multiple times before. So hopefully that does not happen again with GoFunded Trader, right? I'm going to pass the challenges. I'm going to document the journey of me passing those challenges. And then as a result, I'm going to let you guys know if you guys should get funded with GoFunded Trader. But as the way it's looking right now, I wouldn't personally. I don't think it's a good fit right now. They lowered the leverage. Spreads are extremely high. Other ones that I'm going to be looking at is funding pips, and a few other ones. I'll drop links down below of different prop firms that I think are worth looking at, just because, even though, here's the thing, you're always going to find prop firms with good reviews and bad reviews, either bot reviews or legitimate good reviews, either one, right? And you're always going to find bad reviews as well. You have to look through the bad reviews and see which ones are just from people that are complaining because they don't know what they're doing and they lost because they don't know how to trade, and then people that actually know how to trade that failed the challenge because they were breached because of some sort of makeup rule or whatever the case may be. Okay, so I'm going to be documenting my journey for you guys. Every trade I'm going to take on this account, I'm going to break down for you, and I'm going to show you guys my my progress with the account. Once I get funded, I'll let you guys know if I get paid out. And then in the meantime, I'll also start reviewing other prop firms so you guys can make the best educated decision and not get screwed out on your money. Okay, the prop firm world is very dangerous and it's a very volatile world right now, and the last thing that you want to do as a new trader is buy into something that you're gonna get screwed out of at the end of the day. Okay, even if it's a low ticket cost, right, you might as well put that money into a regulated broker and scale that account up yourself, because it's safer and it's more guaranteed. Okay, prop firms, they're mostly out to get you, so you have to keep that into consideration whenever you're making these purchases. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. I'm excited to update you with my progress, right? GoFunded Trader, like I said, you're on the cash flow radar, and we're going to see how legit you are and if you guys pay out or not. So we'll see, and we'll document the journey live. So if you guys have any questions about trading in general, also check out my free Discord. You guys can go join that in the meantime. And if you already are a cash flow student, I will see you guys on the live streams, and I will see you guys at the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. My name is Ollie Cashflow with Cashflow Investing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.